Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khaina Rene, for those of you who do not know. And today we're going to create this nice warm toned, I guess, glittery cut crease smoky eye. I don't really know what we're gonna call it, but I think it's fun and cute and simple. Yeah, not too much, not too updid, not too dumbed down, but you know, it's just the right amount of, ooh, she hitting. So, and without further ado, if you guys want to see how I did this look here, just keep watching. But first, hit that subscribe button and let's get to it. Using the brown sugar palette, we're gonna take, I'm gonna use a fluffy brush and we're gonna take the color Chai. Look at that, I dug my fingers into it by accident. Awkward. We're gonna take this light color and go in with Crease. What are you doing? And then I'm going to take the color Amber, just like this. What color is that? It's like an orangey brownish color.
How do you close it out?
We're gonna go on top of that.
Where you going?
Now we're gonna go in with the color Chalk, and on a smaller crease brush, we're going to really try and direct that in the crease.
That one need charger or that one?
They both got a charge.
Oh, they both do.
He put flour in his coffee, baby. I see.
Yeah.
That's what it is. They serve his Wi-Fi.
Now we're gonna go in with a fluffier brush, and we're going to take a little bit of the shade Henna, and we're gonna focus that on the outer crease and kind of blend it together.
See if I want to get. Oh, wow, they good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on all man. You went all man?
Now we're gonna take some concealer and do a cut crease.
I'm gonna do even teams.
What's it for?
Then do it. Yeah, alright, even teams on.
Nerve.
She went all black.
What?
You know what that means?
And then we're just gonna place like a white color on top of that to kind of set that concealer in place. And I'm going to use my Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to take the shade Strange and place it on top of the concealer.
I don't know how I didn't get you off sides.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how I didn't get you off sides. Cause if you smooth. I juked the hell out them niggas. Hurt my quarterback, dude. Put a jump on that nigga, that'd be nasty.
Okay, now I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, back in the shade Henna, and kind of sprucing up the outer crease before we work our way in.
Ooh.
Now I'm
Yeah,
going to
yeah.
take some setting spray to the color Auburn. We're gonna place that on the center of the lid.
There we go.
Okay, and then with a thinner brush, we're gonna take the same color, spray some more setting spray, and we're just gonna make a cut crease with that.
There we go.
That was
All right, now I'm going to pop on some lashes. We're gonna do the Kiss lashes in the style Ritzy, and then I will be right back to finish off the eye look, that is. Lashes are on. Now we're gonna take our brown sugar palette and go
yeah, I'm
in
just getting a field goal right, nigga. I'm about to win this hoe.
He ain't going nowhere.
with the shade
All I do is
Amber on
get
top
close
of our
enough. Play
crease.
smart, 30
Kind of
seconds left.
smoke it out a bit.
Nigga, 6 seconds left, nigga. You ain't scoring.
Damn.
Oh man,
Fucked
JD.
up.
And now where we
They
had the
owed
white
me.
placed, I'm going to take the color
Nigga.
Jamocha,
One final play.
and we're gonna place that on top of that.
Look at this. Look for this type of pressure, man. I'm telling you.
I need this. I'm about to...
Going
oh
to
my God.
take the color Henna and put that on the lower lash line.
Pick.
Give me that. It's cold outside.
No, I just windy.
Then I'm going to take the color Amber, and we're gonna smoke it out even further under there.
Nah, nigga, I ain't right.
Blake running from makeup doing
Look at
safe tutorials instead of going out on the edge, doing the crazy shit.
You know.
Could have sworn that's what this was.
You running. You ain't making me.
What's up today?
Now I'm going to take the color from the brown sugar palette, Ginger, and just pop that on the inner corner to, you know, liven up this look here. And then I'm going to kind of sprucing up under the brow area, so that way our eyeliner isn't that way our eyeshadow isn't connecting to our brow bone. Drag it down and blend it out. And that is all she wrote. So I'm going to finish off the rest of my face. You know the drill: highlight, bronzer, blush, brow bone highlight. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do our lips together. I'll be back. All right, I am back. And I also found some like glitter. Let me get it. I found some glitter that my mom gave me from somewhere, I don't know. Yeah, but I took a small thin brush and kind of went over my cut crease so that way it could be more sharp, you know? So that's what you see. I did that, didn't I? Yes, I did. Anyway, I'm going to go in with my lip pencil from ColourPop in the shade 951. And I'm thinking more of a nude lip, so that's what we's gonna do. Pinky nude, that is. That turned out pinker than I wanted. I don't think I like that. Yeah, I don't like that. So what we gonna do We're just gonna take all of that off. I think I'm gonna do my lipstick that I just got. I'm actually gonna do a combination of my Morphe lip gloss in the shade Honey, and then my ColourPop lip gloss in the shade, lipstick, sorry, in the shade Pinkies Up. I think that one's darker. Which one of these is darker? This one's darker, so I'm gonna apply this one first, and then the Morphe one on top of that. There we go. Setting spray. Probably should have opened my eyes. It's okay. And that is the finished look, you guys. How does she look? Can you see? Can you see really well? All right, that is going to be it for this tutorial. We're going to call this a neutral tone smoky eye with like a glitter cut crease. You know, it was kind of different. We kind of branched out a little bit. We tried some new things in some new places. So, yeah, I'm rocking with it, I think. Well, that is going to be it for this tutorial, you guys. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button before you head on out of here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!